So now friends, come to Kotlin comments. So comment can be used to explain the code to make it more readable. So when anybody or anyone will see your code, then he will understand better when you use the comments. So comments can be used to explain your code. So here are the two comments type. One is single line comment and the other is multiple lines comments. So now go to the code editor, that means online code editor. So now friends, for the single line comment you can use double slash here. This is for single line comments. So this is Kotlin output of print. So this is a single line comment. So if you run it, then it will not execute. But when you type anything in the second line without double slash, then it is an error. Okay, so for the single line comment you have to use double slash, and this is the comment. But for the multiple line comment, what can you do? For the multiple line comment you can use slash and star slash, sorry, one slash, and you can type star. And now just comment, write something, be learning club, and here just type Kotlin, and now just end this. How you can end this multiple line comment? Just type star and slash. So just space, give the space and just type star and slash. So this is the multiple line comment and these are the single line comment. So it is a multiple line comment. So if you run this, you can see it. So these three things will print, this and this. And this is a multiple line comment and this is a single line comment. So friends, here are the details about single line comment. The single line comments start with two forward slash, and the multiple line comments start with one forward slash and star and ends with a star and one forward slash. Okay. So thank you friends. See you in next video.